My name's Amanda Puyo. I'm the wife of Fred, and he and I opened Le Foodist. I teach at Le Foodist or most of the baking classes. So I do macaron, croissant, chocolate eclairs, all the sweet things of Le Foodist. Yes. Before Fred and I opened Le Foodist, I was cooking and creating at home. So our passion has always been cooking and entertaining and having parties, and I have a very addicted to long tables. So I have a long table at home, so I would always fill it with friends and family and cook and create. I'm also a ceramicist, so I have a studio at home so I can create the bowls and the plates and then create the food that goes on top of them, which I love. In fact, I'm a self-taught chef, cook and baker. I believe in doing and practicing. So I've practiced a lot and I've done a lot. So I pulled up my sleeves and I started making macarons, chocolate eclairs, and then started forming the classes. And then when we place that onto the mat, we will just carry on just giving that an extra stress like that. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wonderful. What I enjoy about giving the cooking classes is breaking down recipes or breaking down what people think is complicated, like the macaron or the chocolate eclairs or croissant, breaking it down and showing people actually it's quite easy. So I enjoy that, and especially when people are thrilled that they've made a beautiful Parisian macaron or a croissant, they're so excited in just 3 hours. That gives me a lot of pleasure.
Is that really hard to put chocolate in yours?
It will dry out, and this is when you start seeing more ideas. Because the butter's
like
also...
yeah.
Exactly.
That's beautiful.
Biting chocolate.
Oh my God, they smell so good.
Yes,
Delicious.
I can't go.
Lots of layers.
Yeah, look, there's all the layers, yeah. From the little cake.
Yeah.
For my cooking, especially when it's not baking but cooking, I tend to be more on the natural side. I like to keep things simple and keeping the flavor from the vegetables or the fruit. A chef that particularly inspires me, a chef called Alexandre Gaultier. I'm vegetarian. He's not a vegetarian, but he does amazing things with vegetables and fruits, and also his plates, the way he presents everything. For me, just an absolute pleasure, and he inspires me enormously. Giving advice for somebody that wants to improve their cooking, get a really good recipe and then keep practicing and practicing until it becomes your recipe, and then you can make it wherever you go. Just practice. Yeah.